Hello students, today I am going to teach you lesson number 5 of Alien Hand, that is Golu Grows a Nose. Have you read the stories of Panchtantra? This story is also as like the story of Panchtantra. In this story, there is a baby elephant whose name is Golu. And it is the story of that time when the elephant had no trunk. In this story, there is a baby elephant whose name was Golu, and he also didn't have any trunk like the other elephants. So let us see in this chapter. Long ago, the elephant had no trunk. He had only a bulgy nose as big as a boot. Long ago, the elephant, they didn't have any trunk, only they had a bulgy nose as a boot. He could wiggle it from side to side but couldn't pick up things with it. Only he could wiggle, means he could move it from side to side, but he was not able to pick anything from the trunk. There was a baby elephant called Golu. There was a baby elephant whose name was Golu. He too had no trunk but only a bulgy nose as small as a small boot. He also didn't have any trunk, and in place of trunk he had a bulgy nose as a small boot because he was a baby elephant. Golu was full of questions. Always Golu used to ask questions. He asked his tall aunt, the ostrich, "Why don't you ever fly like other birds?" He asked to ostrich, "Why don't you ever fly like other birds?" Ostrich is in the group of birds, but she can't fly. But by nature, it is this ability is with ostrich. So she is not able to fly, but he asked to ostrich, "Why don't you ever fly like other birds?" Then he asked his tall uncle, the giraffe, "What makes your skin so spotty?" So why your skin is so spotty? He asked his huge uncle, the hippopotamus, "Why are your eyes always so red?" He asked hippopotamus also, "Why you have red eyes?" Have you seen hippopotamus? It is big in size, but it has the small eyes and red eyes. So by the nature has provided this thing to hippopotamus, but he asked to hippopotamus, "Why your eyes are so red?" He asked his hairy uncle, the baboon, "Why do melon taste like melon?" He asked to baboon also, "Why do melon like melon? Taste like melon?" The ostrich, the giraffe, the hippopotamus had and the baboon had no answers to Golu's question. They didn't have any answer of his question. "Golu is naughty baby," they said. They said that Golu is a naughty baby. He asks us difficult questions. So they were not able to give answer of his question. One day Golu met the manna bird sitting in the middle of a bush, and he asked her, "What does the crocodile have for dinner?" One day Golu met a manna bird. She was sitting in the middle of the bush, and then he asked to manna, what does crocodile have for dinner? What does crocodile take for dinner? The manna said, "Go to the banks of great grassy Limpopo river and find out." She was very intelligent. She was very wise. So she said, "You go and yourself to the great grassy Limpopo river and yourself you find out what the crocodile has for dinner." Golu went home. He took 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas, and 25 melons. These all he has taken for his journey. 100 sugar canes, 50 dozen bananas, and 25 melons. Then he said to his family, "Goodbye, I am going to great grassy Limpopo river." Then he said goodbye his family, and he said, "I am going to find out what the crocodile has for dinner, and this I am going to find out. So I am going to great grassy Limpopo river." He had never seen a crocodile and didn't know what one looked like. He had never seen crocodile and he didn't know कि what it looked like. कैसा वो दिखता है ये भी उसको पता नहीं था. He met a python and asked him, "Have you ever seen a crocodile?" On the way, he met a python and then he asked to python, "Have you seen crocodile? What does he look like? What does he have for dinner?" He asked all these questions to python. The python uncoiled himself from the branch of a tree but said nothing. he uncoiled himself, अपने आप को उसने branch से खोला, and but he said nothing. Golu politely helped him to coil around the branch again and said goodbye. He helped him to coil again the branch, and then he said goodbye to Python, and then he went. Golu moved on, eating sugar canes, bananas, and melons. What the things he had taken with him, he ate. He was going eating all these things. After a few days, he reached the very edge of the great grassy Limpopo River. So after some days journey, he came near to the great grassy Limpopo River. On the bank of a river, he saw a log of wood. A log of wood he saw on the bank of river. लकड़ी, बहुत मोटा सा लकड़ी का गट्ठा उसने देखा रिवर के किनारे. It was really the crocodile who winked at him. Actually, it was the crocodile who winked at him. उसने उसकी तरफ देख के पलक झपकाया. And actually, it was the crocodile. Excuse me, said Golu. Have you ever seen a crocodile? Then he said to that crocodile कि have you seen crocodile? उसने crocodile को देखा नहीं था, तो उसे पता नहीं था crocodile कैसा लगता है. और एक्चुअली जिसको लकड़ी समझ रहा था वो crocodile ही था. So he asked to that कि have you seen crocodile? The crocodile winked again and lifted half his tail out of mud. He winked again. दोबारा उसने पलक झपकाई and then he lifted half his tail out of mud. अपने आधे पूंछ को उसने ऊपर उठाया. Have you seen? कभी भी आप पिक्चर में देखेंगे क्रोकोडाइल को तो मिट्टी में रहता है और अपने पूंछ को उठाता है. So this Golu also did this. He did when he saw Golu. And come here, little one, said the crocodile. Then he said to Golu, you come near to me. Why do you ask such questions? Then he asked to crocodile, why do you ask this type of questions? So, always, why do you ask this type of questions? And then he asked Golu to come near. I want to know. Then Golu wanted to repeat his question. I have come here to know, to see the crocodile and to find out what does crocodile have for dinner. Come close, little one, for I am the crocodile. And he shed crocodile tears to show it was quite true. And then he said to Golu, you come close to me because I am the crocodile. And to prove that he is a crocodile, he shed crocodile tears. मगरमच्छ के आंसू आपने सुने होंगे. तो he said crocodile से मगरमच्छ के आंसू उसने गिराए ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि सही में उसने वो crocodile ही है. Golu was afraid when he came to know that it is really the crocodile. Then he was afraid. But he sat down on the bank and said, you are the very person I was looking for you. Then he said to crocodile, you are the person for whom I have come here. Please tell me what you have for dinner. So you please give me the answer of this question, what do you take in your dinner? Come here, little one, and I will whisper the answer to you. The crocodile was very cunning. And he was very smart also. So he wanted to attack on Golu. So he said, you come close to me. I will whisper the answer to you. मैं तुम्हारे कान में आंसर को बोलूंगा. धीरे धीरे मैं तुम्हारे कान में बताऊंगा. So you come close to me. Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout. Then he was very innocent. So he put his head down near to his snout. उसके मुंह के पास अपने कान को लेके गया. And he put down his head. The crocodile caught him by the nose, and suddenly, because it was the plan of crocodile, so he suddenly attacked on him and he caught him by the nose. जैसे उसने पकड़ा उसकी नाक ही उसकी पकड़ में आ गई. I think, said the crocodile, today a baby elephant will be my dinner. यानी कि I think और दिन का तो मुझे पता नहीं, but today a baby elephant will be my dinner. Let me go, you are hurting me, Mr. Crocodile, screamed Golu. Golu cried out and he said, let me go, you are hurting me, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, so you let me go. The python, who had been quietly following Golu, came to the bank and said, the python, he was also coming after Golu, he was following Golu. So he when he saw that the crocodile had attacked on him, and then he also said to Golu, he wanted to help Golu, so he said, if you do not pull as hard you can, the crocodile will drag you into the stream. Then he advised Golu, you have to pull down, otherwise this crocodile will drag you into the stream. तो तुम्हें stream में खींच के ले जाएगा, and then it will kill you. Golu sat down back on his little haunches and pulled and pulled. He sat down there and then he began to pull. The crocodile slipped into the water, making it all creamy with great sweeps of his tail, and he also pulled. And crocodile also wanted to kill him, so he also began to pull from the one side. Then the python coiled himself round Golu's stomach and said, let us pull harder." Then when the python realized that it is not Golu was not able to pull himself, then he also coiled himself around Golu's stomach. उसके stomach में अपने आप को लपेट दिया, and then both of them begin to pull. Golu dug in all his 4 legs in the mud and pulled, and the Golu, he has fixed his legs in the mud, and then he began to pull. The nose kept on stretching. दोनों तरफ से जब वो नाक खींचने लगी, from one side Golu and python was pulling, and from the other side the crocodile was pulling. Then the nose kept on stretching. ये बढ़ने लग गई, खींचने लग गया. And at each pull the nose grew longer and longer, and it hurt Golu. Each pull it grew longer, लंबी होती चली गई उसकी नाक, but it hurt Golu. लेकिन उससे गोलू को बहुत दर्द हो रहा था. The nose was now 5 feet long, and it became 5 feet लंबी नाक हो गई. But it was free at last. But at last they were able to free that. Golu sat down with his nose wrapped up in a big banana leaf and hung it in the great grassy Limpopo river to cool. क्योंकि उसमें बहुत जलन हो रही थी, बहुत दर्द हो रहा था. So he sat down there, and he was very much worried about his long nose also. So he sat down there, and he wrapped his nose with the big banana leaf, and he put it into the great grassy Limpopo river to cool it. Golu sat there for 2 days waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. 2 दिन उसने वहां पे वेट किया, and he was waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. छोटा और ठंडा होने के लिए, उसने जलन कम होने के लिए वहां पे 2 दिन he was waiting for 2 days there. And it grew cool but it didn't shrink. ये तो ठंडा हो गया, जलन कम हो गई, but it didn't shrink, उतना ही लंबा रहा. At the end of the second day, a fly came and stung Golu on the shoulder. At the end of second day, when Golu was there, a fly suddenly came and it stung on Golu's shoulder. उसके shoulder पर उसने डंक मारी. Golu lifted his long nose and with it hit the fly dead. And with the long nose, he hit the fly, and the fly killed. The fly died. Advantage number 1. Here's the python. The python was also there, and because Golu was very much worried with his long nose, he thought ki how would he go home with his long nose. So he was very much worried about his long nose. So when python saw this, then he said to Golu, "This is the advantage number 1 of your long nose. You couldn't have done it with your small nose." छोटे नाक से तुम ये नहीं कर सकते थे. Because you have long nose, so you have done this. Try and eat a little now. So you try and eat something. कुछ खाओ. Golu put on his trunk and plucked a large bundle of grass. Then from there, where he was sitting, he plucked a large bundle of grass, and then he dusted it against his 4 legs and stuffed it into his mouth. He dusted it, उसको झाड़ा, and then he put it into his mouth. Advantage number 2. Here's the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. This is the advantage number 2 of your long nose. With the small nose, you couldn't have done it. छोटे नाक से ये नहीं कर सकते थे. Don't you think the sun is too hot now? Then he said कि you don't feel that sun is too hot. बहुत गर्मी है. You don't feel that? Golu scooped some mud from the bank and slapped it on his head. Then he scooped some mud, and then he collected some mud and he put it on his head. Advantage number 3. Here's the python. The python again said, "This is the advantage number 3 of your long nose. You couldn't have done it with your small nose. With your small nose, you could not have done it." So these all the things advantage he explained to Golu, and then when Golu realized that the long nose is also very helpful for him, then he said ki, "Thank you, Mr. Python," said Golu gratefully, and he thanked Python, "and I will remember all this, and now I will go back to my family." Then he said ki, "All these things I will remember, and now I am going to my family." So he thanked Python, and he went back. So listen, students, this lesson number 5 is over. So question answer you will get PDF as the previous chapters. So have a nice day.